The former public protector, Busisiwe Mkhwebane, who's now the convener of the Umkhonto weSizwe Party in Mpumalanga, is under fire after congratulating the new Secretary General of Umkhonto weSizwe Party, Floyd Shivambu. Mkhwebane did not only congratulate Floyd Shivambu, but she also indirectly took a jab at the economic freedom fighters and their leader, Julius Malema. Busisiwe was a member of parliament for the Economic Freedom Fighters, but after elections, she dumped the EFF party for the former President Jacob Zuma's party, Umkhonto weSizwe. The MK made a huge announcement on Sunday morning by releasing a statement appointing Floyd Shivambu as their new Secretary General of Umkhonto weSizwe Party after Dr. Sizwe Maseko resigned from his position. The statement reads as follows. Statement of Umkhonto weSizwe Party President Jacob Zuma on the Secretary General of the organization. The President of Umkhonto weSizwe Party, Commander General Jacob Zuma, received a letter of resignation from Secretary General Commander Dr. Sifiso Maseko on Tuesday, the 29th of October 2024, requesting to be relieved from his responsibilities as Secretary General of the organization. Dr. Maseko was on suspension at the Gauteng Department of Health pending an internal disciplinary process which has been concluded. The President accepted Commander Dr. Maseko's request to resume his work as Chief Director in the Gauteng Department of Health. Commander Maseko is released as the Secretary General of Umkhonto weSizwe, but will retain his responsibilities as a member of the National High Command, which is the highest decision-making body in the Umkhonto weSizwe Party. As prescribed by the Umkhonto weSizwe Party Constitution, the President has, in consultation with the MK Party national official, appointed Nyiko Floyd Shivambu as the Secretary General of Umkhonto weSizwe Party. Effective immediately, Commander Nyiko Floyd Shivambu will assume all the functions and tasks of Secretary General as prescribed by the Constitution of the Umkhonto weSizwe Party. The President and national officials will, in line with the Constitution of the organization, announce the necessary changes pertaining to the vacant role of the national organizer. The President commends Commander Dr. Maseko for playing an important role in the life of the organization. The President expresses full confidence in Secretary General Nyiko Floyd Shivambu and the entire leadership of Umkhonto weSizwe Party. Advocate Mkhwebane then took it to her Twitter account to congratulate Floyd Shivambu and posted images of Floyd Shivambu and wrote, "Congratulations, SG at Floyd Shivambu, leadership per excellence. I trust you will complement a culture where team members feel safe to express concerns and seek help. You will make sure that you continue to be accessible because inaccessible leaders build walls instead of bridges. Soft issues are the foundation of strong support." Sihole SG, #lead with heart. People didn't hesitate to comment on her tweet, and one wrote, "You are good at attacking people who took you in when nobody wanted you under their roof. You can't be trusted." Another one said, "The EFF made a big mistake accommodating you. They should have stuck with their belief that maybe you were a spy. Mara, you will get your turn." Someone also said, "Malema is a political institution in South Africa. All of you combined amount to zero compared to Julius Malema." People were really mad. Another one said, "So much shade to CIC. You will make sure that you continue to be accessible because inaccessible leaders build walls." Another one said, "This is too deep. That's all what I'm willing to say." Another one said, "If I were Floyd, I would not take any advice from you." Someone also said, "I'm one of those who feels like the system is against you and it went very hard on a black woman like yourself. But this tweet of yours depicting Floyd and Dali especially very intentional and telling a lot about you. You are maybe more than what the system says about you." Someone also said, "Come on, advocate. Are you telling me that you were in Egypt house of slaves? Don't do Malema like that. He was kind to you and stood by you when DA and ANC were purging you." People were just dragging Advocate Busisiwe Mkhwebane, and one also said, these people deserve their thieving father, Obaba. The EFF defended you when it was unpopular, and you continue to make insinuations against its leaders. Don't you have any soul left? Busisiwe Mkhwebane once also threatened Carl Niehaus, who's the EFF Member of Parliament. After she had left the Economic Freedom Fighters, Carl Niehaus expressed his disappointment and said they all betrayed the EFF leader Julius Malema. Carl Niehaus was also not happy that Mzanele Mani left the EFF. Busisiwe then stated that she has messages where Carl Niehaus was complaining about the treatment that he was getting in the EFF organization. What's your take on this one, people? Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for more news.